Hey guys, I'm back. During the day, I got my fishing gear. I'll show you in a minute. Hold on. I'm going to show you exactly what I do when I come home at night like this. Just wait a second. Wait patiently for... Okay. Uh-oh. I knew that one. Oh, sorry guys, they're not out. It was worth a shot though. And, hold on. Here. There you go, slide things down. Oh. I got some goodies in there, as you could tell. Cigar, 2 cigars, a lighter. I got bait in here. Hold on. I'm not picky. I'm not prejudiced. Two containers of bait and my ice pack. 2 things of soda. 2 things of 2 poles. My tackle box. You know what? I'll show you in just a second. And my tail light on. There, that's off. Walking my yard. Give me a second, guys. I'm sorry. Hold on. Work with me. I hear him barking. Shut up. Hey. What did I say? Blue, shut the fuck up. I'll kick your motherfucking ass. Damn dog didn't know when to shut the fuck up, man. I hate that shit. He knows my voice, but... Sorry, dude. I damn near got run over 4 times because carnival's in town. Oh. Alright, sorry guys, I meant to cut it off before I came in my yard, but it didn't work out that way. But I'm done for the night. You guys have a good night. I'll talk to you later. Bye.